In this video, I'm going to talk about optional chaining in JavaScript. Okay, let me start with the example. So we have a variable like const, so in portion. Okay, so portion and person is object and person has name. So name will be Ronaldo. Sorry, Ronaldo. Okay, so the person has name Ronaldo. So now just let console dot log. Okay, so console dot log. So for example, I want to know about Ronaldo, right? So I'll do yes and portion dot name. Also, I want to know his address where he is living, right? Or where I want to know his address. So edit areas address and also city, right? We want to know his address and city, and like if and we got type error. Okay, so we got type error here. So now but think like this, that this person was an API or data, yes, that we are accessing, and we don't know either this person Ronaldo has name, address, pictures, and we want to access it. So while in this is very crucial point in programming, and it will cause error, and the error will crash your application. So how to prevent this error? So and console dot log. Okay, so I'm again accessing this portion. Okay, so question mark dot name. We don't want to access his name right now, so we want to address and we want to access now city. So if I console.log, now it's not throwing error. The point is that is undefined. Yes, this both address and city are undefined, but it's not throwing any error right now. So if it is not throwing error, means that our program is not going to crash. Why? Because here we have used this question mark, question mark, question mark. Question mark is called optional chaining. Optional chaining. Question mark. By using the question mark, we are telling that if person exists, then find for address, and if it does not exist, it's okay. It's okay. You can return undefined. Yes, you should not throw error. We are telling that it's okay if don't have address, just check it, and if there is, then give us a value. So this is called the optional chaining, and this is a new way of using optional chaining. Also, let me and call uh, let me do another console.log. So console.log here, so portion dot address. So here we have only name, right? Here we have only name, but here we are accessing address. So now will it throw error? So now it's not throwing error because this address is undefined. But here was the city. Here was the city also, but it was throwing type error. So why is that? Because like uh, returning the property of undefined will cause error. Like I want to say is that you cannot 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 access property of undefined. You cannot access the property of undefined because here the address is undefined and you are trying to access city. So trying to access the property of undefined will cause error, but trying to access the property which is not undefined will result in undefined. So this is another crucial thing. Yeah, so this is called optional chaining, and I think like this video is full enough to understand about optional chaining, and I hope this will really help you. So follow for me, follow, like and share. Okay, share. So follow, like and share. Thank you.